give. If you tryna give me shit, you mean nothing. Ain't nobody I could really put my trust in. Nowadays, everybody stay bluffing. That's why I'm fucked with. No one around me, they doing me dirt. I keep to myself, I be putting in work. Focused on me and it's seeming to work. I keep moving up like I'm leaving the earth.
Does it sound good? Yeah? Is it too loud? Nah. I asked if it was too loud. Yeah. Not that good. I don't want to wreck this one. That's my baby. Yeah. I got another one I play on though. I made that up so it'd sound cool. Fuck, I just hit a bird. It hit my leg, man. Are you dead? Come on, little birdie. Come on. Come on, you got it. Come on, little birdie. I got the little birdie. I'm sorry, little birdie. I probably shouldn't take you home. You'd blow off my bike. Here you go. It's okay. There you go. I think he's just in shock. See him breathing real hard? So pretty, too. He's not like those stupid starlings. Did I kill a good bird? Me touching it probably doesn't help. You like probably can't keep those as pets either, can you? I'll come back and see if you're here later. I hit a bird. Oh, yeah, probably is in shock. It says it recover with rest. Got him out of the road. My rear tire just spun a little bit. Holy shit. Kind of sketchy. Fucking... You're lucky, you stupid. Lucky I got somewhere to fucking be. I get that I should have waited at the line, but I really didn't realize that traffic was flowing through that heavily. I thought I'd be able to make it before the light turned. It's my fault. Jesus. Could you just please not text and drive?
Yes.
You really scared me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I know. I'm not mad. I just...
Alright.
Thank you. Whew. Made me sweat. See, you don't have to really be a complete prick to get your point across. And I was pissed, you know.
Holding still glocks, but you been a bitch. Suck a thick cock, fuck a grip, walk, hit a strip like in Bangkok. Never ever see me ever trip by the little brat. See me on the TV screaming, bitch, you a damn fraud.